Hey guys, we've made it to Mombasa and we're gonna go to the historic center, walk around, and also check out this huge giant elephant tusk statue here. Let's check it out. It is very hot. It's probably about 32, 33 degrees Celsius, over 90 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Alright guys, so I just took a tuk-tuk from the apartment to Nairobi Beach. It's one of the most famous beaches here in Mombasa. Now there's another beach about an hour and a half away that I heard is the prettiest beach here in Mombasa. It's called Dahlia, but it's like an hour and a half away, so it's kind of far. And like from what Uber driver told me when we were coming here is that if you're going to Zanzibar, there's no need to go there. You're gonna see much you're gonna see better beaches, or beaches very similar to the one over there. So let's go ahead and check out Nairobi Beach, and then we're gonna head to Mombasa Beach, and then kind of just go from there. All right. So it's extremely windy, but it's nice. It's a nice breeze because it's so hot here in Mombasa. And you have these beautiful white sand beaches here. I just wish, I don't know, maybe I'm at the wrong side, but like I looked both ways. I didn't really see any people that much. There's like no beach chairs to rent or anything like that, so you can't really sit back and relax unless you have your own stuff. Just like I thought, the water is extremely warm because it's so hot out. So you get in the water, don't have to worry about freezing temperatures, but it's almost too warm. It's like a hot tub. We have like some hotel beach houses and stuff here at the back. I'll just keep walking for a bit, see if you come across something. Just took another tuk-tuk to Mombasa Beach, which isn't too far away, and it lets you in this entrance of this Mombasa Beach Hotel. You can basically just walk through security, they'll let you in, and you can go through the hotel straight to the beach area. And you also have access if you want to use the facilities, eat lunch here or whatever. That's what he told me, so let's check it out. Got to sit and have a drink in one of the local vendors. He was very nice. We were just talking about the city. But I'm going to go grab something to eat and then go out for a little bit tomorrow. And then the day after that, we head out to Zanzibar. Like a 40-minute flight. All right. Good morning. We are at Howler Park. It's a very big park. Kind of like not that far from where we're staying, about less than 10-minute drive, and it's like kind of like a walking zoo kind of thing. So you have like giraffes, monkeys all over the place, antelope, things like that. They also have like feeding of the giraffe at a certain time, like 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. Entrance is about $18 for adults, free for kids, I think under 5. But yeah, we're gonna check this out, and yeah, to see what we can get into. And monkey. But there's giraffes here. And there's like some walking around here too. So the first thing you come across here are the crocodiles. To the right, they have like feedings, but they're all like around 3:30, which since we're here, it's about 12. We won't stay around that long. She said you can typically do the park within an hour and a half, depending on your pace. But we have like 2 crocodiles here, and there's like a really big one swimming in the water a little bit further back. And then I also saw another one over here as well. Yeah, many fish in here. The water's just so dirty. This park here is more like a nature reserve, a botanical garden of sorts. It's kind of hard to really navigate this place. And find like all the animals. Like I haven't seen a hippopotamus yet, besides the giraffes. It's like right in the beginning, and then the alligators. It's been kind of hard to spot other things. I know further this way it's like the butterfly center, so we'll see that. But hopefully we can run into these animals pretty soon, because even though it's a lot of good shade, it is very humid here still looking at 90+ degrees outside. So here I'm walking here taking a break, but we're here in the butterfly pavilion. And you can see just only a few butterflies walking around or flying around. This area is very small and there's a long walk just to get to this very small place here. So like I said, it's very difficult to kind of navigate. I did see like another couple and I asked them, had they seen any other animals like the hippopotamus or anything? And they said no, just the crocodiles. So it's funny when you're driving in, you see like a bunch of like antelope, monkeys. The giraffes are right in the beginning, and just like after that you don't see really anything once you're in here. We've been walking for a while, so it's a little frustrating, especially because it's not cheap. But yeah, hopefully we'll run into something soon. So I just spoke to one of the staff. So he said basically, besides what we just saw and the hippopotamus, there's like a wall that we did walk past with like a huge body of water, but it's very dark. And I didn't see any hippopotamus in there, but he said they usually kind of submerge more so when it's more closer to feeding time, which is like a few hours from now. So I think we won't be able to see them or get like a really good shot of them. So basically that's it. It's like I said, it's just not, it's more of a nature park or eco park. It's not really that much like an animal park or like a zoo like I kind of saw from the pictures online on Google anyway. So it's very expensive considering you're not really seeing anything. You see most of the animals, like I said, once you're like driving in, we took the Uber, you're driving in through, before you get to the main gate, you see like a bunch of like antelope, monkeys everywhere. The giraffes is actually, you see those before you get into the park. So if you just did that and you left, you'd be fine. You'll save yourself about 18 bucks. So yeah, you can skip this unless you just want to walk around this park, which is still nice, but just not worth the price. So yeah, let's head to the next and probably last spot before we end this video, because tomorrow we are leaving. We're heading to this cave restaurant. Let's check this out. It's called the Istanbul. Jen and his favorite all white rice.